Adding another language to your iPhone 16 keyboard allows you to type in multiple languages seamlessly, enhancing your communication capabilities across different languages. Here's how it's done. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Keyboard. In the succeeding menu, tap on Keyboards at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Add New Keyboard. You can either use the search bar to find a specific language or scroll through the list to browse available languages. Once you've found your desired language, tap on it. If prompted, choose the specific keyboard layout for that language you've selected. Finally, tap Done to confirm. To use your new keyboard language, open any app that uses the keyboard like Notes. Once you're in the app, tap the globe icon on the keyboard to switch between languages. Alternatively, you can touch and hold the globe icon to see a list of available keyboards and then tap to make a language selection. This iPhone feature is particularly useful for multilingual users or those learning a new language. It allows you to switch between different language keyboards quickly, making it easy to type in various languages without changing your device's primary language settings. Note that you can add multiple language keyboards and arrange their order in the keyboard's menu for convenient access. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.